Si je m'épanche sur toi, c'est que je rêve de toi, oui du soir. Au matin, ça fait beaucoup, je le sais bien.
Hello, my name is Alex and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this Valentine's Day pastel pink and blue baby Cupid in the sky kind of makeup look. And I'm really excited. I used the Jeffree Star 714 liquid lip as the eyeliner and I think it's really fun. So if you want to check it out, if you want to see what's next, then just keep on watching. So my first step is always to wash my face and moisturize. So I've already done that, and now I'm just going to spray my face with the Rose Quartz Color Pop Crystal Priming Spray.
Dans le ciel de Paris, c'est pour toi.
And then I'm just going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Foundation and a damp beauty blender. And I just like to dot this all over my face. That way I can get an even application all around.
Passera, peu m'importe, demain je suis à toi, tu le sais bien. Et quand la lune me donne de tes nouvelles, je frissonne jusqu'au bout de...
Then I'd like to just jump right into brows, and right now I'm currently using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and my sister gave this to me.
Les étoiles de minuit s'installent au-dessus des toits de
And I just
Paris.
like to outline pretty much like the bottom line of my brow, and then I fill up from there, going in like the natural direction of that my eyebrow hairs grow. And you kind of want to create like a nice gradient from the front to the darker end of your eyebrow tail. And I used to think that like doing my eyeliner took the longest and was like the most stressful part of my makeup routine, but like now I feel like it's definitely brows, because I used to just like fill them in a little bit to like make them darker, and now I'm like basically doing that, but I'm really adding like a lot of shape to them, and yeah, it just takes a lot of concentration.
Oui du soir, au matin ça fait beaucoup, je le sais bien. Mais quand la brise rapporte.
Next, we're just gonna hop into the fun part, which is the eyeshadow, and I am about to just throw a major throwback at you guys right now. I am planning on doing a light blue eyeshadow lid with the Jeffree Star 714 liquid lip as my lip line, or as my eyeliner. This is from the summer collection, I think from 2016 of the Jeffree Star line, and I'm just gonna pop out a nice little Coastal Scents palette, just a nice little throwback, because this 88 palette, it has a lot of shades in there, let me tell ya, and I just didn't have any other good light blues, and these are very buildable, and I don't even know if the palette is still for sale, because I bought this whenever I was seriously in like 9th grade. I can't believe I still have it. Is that gross? I don't know.
Et puis le temps passera, peu
So I'm going to start by just grabbing a nice little Eco Tools eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna spray it just because I think that, you know, helps pick up more of the pigment. And I'm just gonna, you know, grab a nice light blue shade start putting it just everywhere.
Si les étoiles de minuit s'installent au-dessus des toits de Paris, c'est pour toi. Si les étoiles de minuit s'emballent parfois dans le ciel.
And then we're just gonna grab a nice little, you know, blending brush, a nice little eye shader is what this is called, and just dip into the same color and smoke it out a little bit. This is going to be a really easy look that you can just do. It's not like your little baby Cupid in clouds. That's what I'm going to look like. I'm creepy.
De Paris, c'est pour toi.
I can't believe that it's already almost Valentine's Day. Like, every year just is freaking flying by. This is already the second semester of my sophomore year of college, and I am just working away on my bachelor's degree, fine arts. It's been a blast. Actually, let me know if you guys want some fine arts student college related vlogs. I've been wanting to vlog and I just haven't because I just don't know if anybody wants to see it, but I feel like those could be really interesting and like insightful to people who are maybe in high school still and don't know if they want to go into fine arts, and I can, you know, just show them a day in the life of me because I'm a fine arts student. So now that our lids are all freaking blue, we're gonna dip into a nice royal, like a nice darker blue. And we're gonna just pop that right here in the crease to add some dimension. I notice I say like that every video. Just blending it into everywhere that it wants it. So we're nicely blended. We're just gonna dip into that darker blue and just sweep that underneath the eye. I'm kind of like, whenever I do my makeup, I don't really worry about the brushes that much. It's kind of like when I paint, I just dip into every color and I get my paints all messy. I'm the worst.
De mes doigts, tu le sais bien, je suis à toi.
Now that we have that all blended onto our eyes, we're going to go into the big moment, the light pink highlighter.
Au-dessus des toits de Paris, c'est pour toi.
These are safe for the eyes, and I'm just doing it because I do what I want around here. So I'm just going to get some on this nice little angled brush. And I'm just gonna start going for it. This might be a mess, but I've done it once before with the other carrot eyeshadow look I did, so hopefully this will be good. When I do a wing, I always line my lid. I'm gonna go in again. I always line my lid, and then I go for the wing. We're going for the win. Oh wow. Great content here. It's definitely like, oh my god, last time I just used like a flat little brush. Couldn't find it this time, so I thought this brush would work, but you just gotta really wing it out, like very long, I guess, to spread out all the liquid lip. I just got my brush like way too much powder down there. Got a little crazy. I'm just gonna grab this little brush right here and dip into some light pink eyeshadow, and just to like, you know, set the lip a little bit.
De minuit s'installe
be ready to not leave
dans le ciel de Paris.
This is Too Faced Better Than Sex. It's so good, and I might actually have to splurge. I still have a Sephora gift card that my boyfriend got for me for Christmas, and I keep forgetting that I have it. And I'm so torn between, like, should I buy something I wouldn't usually like splurge on because it's expensive, or should I just use it to like get like backups and refills of like all my usual stuff? I'm gonna go and do the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Now that both of my eyes are eyelinered and mascaraed, and just so you know, this eye went a lot smoother, and it's because I was more aware of the amount of liquid lip I was putting on the brush. So if you try this, definitely do not overload it too much, because then it just gets everywhere. But either way, I'm just gonna go into my ColourPop I Like Your Face palette, and I'm gonna use the lightest color in there. And I'm gonna just, highlight my brow bone in my inner corner.
S'installe au-dessus des toits de
I'm out of breath because I just had to run and get this. It's like 3 feet from here to my bedroom, but I did it really fast.
Parfois, dans le ciel de Paris, c'est pour toi.
I like to go into the Shade and Light Kat Von D palette. Got this for $25 at Marshall's. It was amazing. I probably would never buy this for $50 because it's just a lot of money. But right now I am enjoying it while I have it. I already hit pan on the lightest color. So hopefully this summer I get tan. That way I can use the next lightest, the one that's darker, right? And I just like to pat this down all those areas that I know are gonna get oily and stuff like that. Recently I've been talking to my boyfriend about potentially renting out my shiny forehead for projection, because it just is wonderful. Like light just really is attracted to this big space on my. From there, I like to just grab this little brush by Eco Tools, and I dip into the lightest brown color in there, and I contour my face.
Les étoiles de minuit s'installent au-dessus
I like to go under here,
de Paris.
make it look like I have some sort of definition between my jawline and my neck.
Les étoiles de minuit s'emballent parfois.
This, I probably should use a smaller brush, but I don't. See, you can just make your own rules, do whatever you want, and I just contour my nose. And then I grab the Tarte Park Out Princess bronzer.
Nous marcherons, toi et moi, et puis le temps passera.
Just, be loose with it. This is like exactly how I draw with colored pencils. That's my emphasis area. I'm super loose, and that's how I'm able to build up like so much color and have it look so blended and just seamless.
Je frissonne jusqu'au bout de mes doigts, tu le sais bien.
I'm gonna go into Red and Poise. They're both like nice little baby pink light shades. Just give them a nice circular dusting motion onto the outside of my cheeks.
Au-dessus des toits de Paris.
Next, we're just gonna do a nice little highlight. I like to just pull this down and make that part of my contour. It's great. I'm gonna take this fan brush. This ColourPop one is so chunky, but I love it. And then I like to just do this to, get it all blended in together. And now I'm gonna just put some Vaseline on my lips. Put a nice little bit of Vaseline. And I'm using Baby Spice by Jeffree Star. Love this color.
Dans le ciel de
very like Paris Hilton mom from Mean Girls, Jeffree Star. And I feel like it's a very wearable shade because I try to wear like baby pink and I just don't think it looks good on me. But I think this is a nice shade. Well, there you have it, guys. That was my baby Cupid in the clouds makeup look. I really hope that you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe. Shameless self-promotion. And I also have an Instagram at holyboxers. And if you want to keep up with my artwork and my fine arts college life, then be sure to check out at Alex.SayPot, and I'll have it all linked below. And I just really appreciate all of the support that you guys give me. And I know that I'm still like a really small channel, but this has been my dream ever since I was a little kid. Ever since YouTube was a thing, like 10, 11 years ago, I always wanted to make YouTube videos. And it's like, even though I don't have a perfect schedule on uploading, but I really appreciate this platform and even being able to make the videos, even if nobody watches, because I think it's really fun. And basically just thank you for watching. So I will see you in my next one.